Hey, Mike here. So I'm going to show you a new script that I've been working on. Personally, I just find it much easier to voice my opinions and have them automatically transcribed into text. And not only that, but they are transcribed into grammatically correct, punctuated text. Let's just do a / record and let's generate. So the moment that it starts generating, as you can see in the top right-hand corner, it says that it is recording audio and press escape to stop. You can set the escape button to whatever key you like. I'm going to show you the recorder transcription script here, and this is available on both my Patreon as well as my website. And yeah, you can change the escape key to whatever key you'd like. If you'd like to, for example, stop the recording with the enter key, you would just replace escape with enter. I have the recordings set to just a default recordings directory here, which is within my base vault. But you can, of course, change this to whatever you'd like. We have a save transcription to clipboard option here, which is right now set to true. If you would like to save the transcription to your clipboard so that you can easily paste into a web browser or a Discord channel or any other application, you can do so. Whether or not you would like to save the recording, that is an option, as well as if you would like to have that recording pasted into the note that you are currently inside of. So let me show you how that works. Now I'm going to press the escape key here. There is the recording. It pasted itself right into my note, and you can see that it's transcribing the audio as we speak. This is all in real time. And there you go. There is the transcription. It is flawless when it comes to the spelling, grammar, and actuality of what I am truly saying. This is available on both the SystemSculpt website. Here you have the Patreon, and it's going to be, of course, available in the Obsidian templates collection. So if you're a Patreon member, you'll have access to this script as well as all the other scripts, past and future. Of course, if you just want to purchase the script itself, you can go on the website, get the template, and all you have to do is pop it into text generator /prompts. Thank you for watching. I will see you again tomorrow.